Welcome here, you beautiful person. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your video more sharpen. If you're looking for ways to make your video sharpen, this is a tutorial for you in Capcut PC. I really love this app. It's very simple and beginners friendly, editing app. It has the interface is very simple, so I really hope you're gonna learn something, and make sure you subscribe for daily Capcut tutorials. I really love creating tutorials for you, and I'll really appreciate a subscribe and a like. And now let's jump right into the video. So we're gonna open Capcut. Like, you can close the app. Then when you open Capcut, you'll see your project. I'll click on this project, the last project, and here I have a video from Pixabay. And if I want to make this video more sharpened, there are more other ways, like, but you can also go here and just increase the sharpen. You can increase sharpen. That's one way, and it's simple, as you can see. If you double click on sharpen, we'll just reset the value, as you can see. And yeah, that's how you do it. But there's another way. You can also go to effects here, and then here we have a smart sharpen. Drag this and put it over your video, and now just make sure you drag this everything all the way down, and only this one, and now you have a more aggressive, I guess, sharpen. This is very good for cartoony style videos. If that's what you're trying to achieve in your project, that's pretty good. So I really hope, guys, this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.